Hey guys, it's Dan, your Hustle Got Real mentor, and today I'm just here to talk to you guys about the beginner course. I'm just going to be letting you guys know what it entails, how everything's structured, and who it's also meant for. So, the beginner course is really meant for like complete novices with eBay dropshipping. Either you've never dropshipped on eBay and you're literally just starting, you've not even listed your first item, or maybe you have started dropshipping but you've just started, you've not got many items up, you've not really even got consistent sales, maybe you've not even got your first sale, so just real novices. And the way the course is going to be structured is it's going to have multiple sections, so there'll be video training for you guys. Section 1 will just cover like just an introduction to dropshipping, what it is, and section 2 will be all about configuring your guys' accounts. So, configuring your eBay account, getting all your settings right, all of your return settings and item location settings, all that kind of stuff. And also about configuring your Hustle Got Real account and getting that all set up to get you guys started. Section 3 is going to be about how to find profitable items to list and, which sources to use, all that kind of stuff. And I'm also going to go into the different ways to dropship, the different methods you can use, like sniping, optimizing, bulk listing, all that kind of stuff. Section 4 is going to be about Section 4 is going to be all about customer service and processing orders. So processing your first order, how to streamline everything like that with your business, discount codes and all that kind of stuff, and then giving good customer service, dealing with returns, dealing with how to deal with negative feedback, dealing with customer cases, answering customer questions. And then section 5 is just going to be all about managing and organizing your eBay business. Just dealing with things like, uploading tracking, emails, keeping track of your profits, all that kind of stuff. And then the video training is also going to be supplemented by email support from me and 2 hours of personalized Skype calls, just so that I can also keep track with how you guys are doing. You can ask me any questions and, anything you guys need support with along your journey. You'll have those 2 hours of video support and email support from me. And that's it. Look forward to working with you guys.